The year was 1972. Richard Nixon was the president. Well, at least for a little while longer. The Watergate scandal was on the verge of breaking. We were just 2 years past the signing of the Clean Air Act. The muscle car era was coming to a close, favoring lower emissions and better fuel economy. Little did we know that just a year later we would be facing a fuel crisis that would include rationing of gas and a 40% increase of gas prices in less than a year. The seemingly never-ending Vietnam War was still in full swing. Let's Stay Together, My Ding-a-Ling, and The Rocket Man played on the radio. The first daytime episode of the game show The Price is Right was taped in Television City to be aired that September. Well, The Price is Right is still going strong nearly 50 years later, and so is this 1972 Cheyenne C10. Come along as we take a closer look at this one-owner piece of iconic American iron. Hello, welcome back to the Real World Garage. Today I've got something really special on tap for you. A 1972 Cheyenne C10. This is a Survivor truck. This is a one-owner Survivor truck. Let's take a tour and I'll tell you what we're going to do to it. Alright, let's take a walk up close, and I just wanted to walk around of this truck. This truck is in original condition, of course has original paint, original interior, and no, this truck is not in mint condition, but this truck is definitely what you would call a Survivor. There's a couple things I wanted to show you, namely fender extensions, rocker panels, and cab corners, all still in perfect condition. I have been all over this entire truck and I have yet to find any perforation rust on this truck, and that is all original sheet metal. This truck was used as a truck. As you can see, corners of the bumper are kind of bent and pushed around on it. It was used as a work truck. The gentleman that owns this was a painter, but he has taken very, very good care of it. Let's take a look in the bed. It was used as a truck, but there are no rust holes anywhere in this bed. Not one. See, if you probably noticed, he leaves a broom in the back of it so he doesn't allow debris to settle in the back of this truck. Alright, let's take a look down this side. The only thing that I have noticed that he has done on this truck with respects to the exterior appearance are these wheels, which look to be off of probably a 90s model Chevrolet pickup truck. This is the 350. You can see it's badged with the 350, and as I said, it's the Cheyenne version. Now let's walk around. We'll take a look at the inside. These trucks just did not come with a whole lot of dress up and bling back in the day like they do now. Everything was functional. That is the original interior, as far as I can tell. I would have to ask him if that's the original upholstery, but it sure looks like it. It's got some wear, but after 50 years of being used as a painter's truck, I would imagine that it should have some wear. It is missing glove box door and the glove box liner, which I'm going to ask him about. And it looked like he upgraded the stereo and added an equalizer and booster. There's something curious going on that dash. See if anybody can pick it up. That's right. That's right. That's a vent right there. This is a factory AC truck, and it works. Let's take a look here. Headliner is still in it and in good condition. It needs cleaned, but it's there and in good condition. Take a look at this visor. This is a blast back to the past, back when they used to do stuff. Engine starting procedures. She's not mint, but she is in excellent condition. I meant to show you, there's only one dent on this entire body that I could find, and it's small. That's it right there. I'm trying to get an angle to catch it because it's white. It doesn't hardly show up. There's not even any really door dings down the rest of the vehicle. All right, well, let's get set up and let's go look under the hood. All right, see if we can get over here and get blocked from the wind. And let's see if we can get you a good shot of that right there. That is the original data tag and emissions tag on the inner fender. This is an original 350 truck. This is what makes this truck what it is. When I saw this, I almost wet my pants, because you almost never see that right there anymore. And I'm sure the enthusiasts that watch this video will know exactly what that is. Those are the factory chalk marks when this truck was built in 1972. Still on the firewall. As far as I know, that he has had nothing done to this 350. And back in 1972, I'm not exactly sure what the horsepower rating was, but I'm pretty sure that it was around 290 horsepower, because I had one at one time, and that's what it was rated, with the 4-barrel, which this one is. And there is your factory air, running an original style compressor, and it has been converted to 134, and I haven't tried it myself, but he says it blows perfectly cold. He's having a problem with the fan speed control, which we're going to take a look at that while we've got it. And the whole reason this thing is here is he was having trouble with the brakes. The brake master cylinder has gone out, and we're going to install a rebuilt master cylinder and a rebuilt booster for him. So y'all hang on. I almost forgot. You need to hear it run. By the Real World Garage. There will be more videos coming soon on this truck and the repairs. Now, if you'd like to see more on repairing your automobile, click on the video coming on the screen right now.